Welcome back. A new report released is now shining a light on the positive work LCMC is doing throughout our community to take care of mothers and their babies, not just before, but also after birth. All 5 LCMC birthing hospitals in our metro area have made the list for birth ready designation. It's a really great honor for us here. Dr. Stacy Holman of LCMC Health and Katherine August-Autry of Touro Infirmary joining us now to talk about the work you all are doing to change statistics that have plagued our state for far too long. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
I'm so happy you both are here. I've done a lot of stories on this. It's just a personal, passion of mine to shine this light, but I love the work you all are doing, and I love that we get to talk about it. Tell us more.
So the birth ready designation was created in Louisiana in 2021, and it's really a great opportunity for the statewide hospitals to come together, collaborate to improve maternal health care and maternal outcomes in the state.
Yeah, really a village effort here to change these numbers. So talk a little bit about, obviously it's a great designation, but what sort of work has gone into being able to get recognized as, one of these designations?
Yeah, to provide the designation, we need to go through a rigorous process with the state to be able to look at, do we provide patient-centered care? Is it safe? Are we providing care that follows guidelines? And are we able to track our metrics and our outcomes to sustain quality improvement over time? And that's what we've been able to do, and that's why the designations have come to our hospitals.
That's amazing. And we talked about it a little before, but we know in Louisiana, a lot of those maternal mortality rates come from post birth. And so that aftercare, because just a lot of places, a lot of women don't have a lot of access to hospitals. They might live in those rural areas. They might have difficulty with transportation, not getting the support they need. The list goes on.
Right.
But we're doing, a lot of work to change that.
Yeah. Our Family Connects program that Katherine's going to talk about really highlights that.
Yeah, so Family Connects launched back in October 2023 in collaboration with the New Orleans Health Department. We do an evidence-based program. It's called Family Connects, as I said, and we visit those moms in the postpartum period in their homes. Our main priority is their health and wellness, both the mom and the baby. We've had over almost 500 visits since inception, and in those visits, they're very comprehensive. We're doing health assessments on our moms, on our babies. We're educating them on everything from safe sleep, brain development, handling crying, educating mom on warning signs to look for herself and the baby, those that they should report to the medical doctor, their provider, and those that they should report to the emergency room for. We provide them with resources, connect them with all of the many resources that are in our city, and it's an evidence-based program. We do what we call bedside recruiting, where we go in each room on the postpartum unit to explain the program to moms, get them sign up if they're interested, because it's voluntary and it's universal. The only qualifications are that they deliver at Touro and that they live in Orleans Parish. And once we get them signed up and connected, that our nurses are out in the field visiting them in their homes. By the time, our goal is when the baby's 3 weeks old. And like I said, we've gotten very positive feedback from all of our families, and we are out there trying to combat these mortalities that are occurring in our city and in our state.
Well, we so appreciate the work you all are doing. I think moms have enough to question, right, when they're thinking, do I want to have another baby? Or once they find out that they are pregnant, not having to worry about their medical care, I think is such a beautiful thing. Thank y'all both for telling us more.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us.
For more information on the Family Connects program, including how you can participate, which is voluntary, but having great turnout here, follow the link on our website, WVUE.com.